Hi, in this video I will be installing 4 CNCF projects which are Grafana, Falco, Keda and Flux. So we will be installing all these projects through the AI missions in the KubeStellar console. First off, there is a current cluster running which is connected to the KubeStellar console. So click on the AI missions in the KubeStellar console, then browse community missions, then go to installers and type Grafana. Then click on the import button. Then it will automatically redirects to the chart interface wherein you can modify the emission steps you want if you want. I recommend you to leave it as it is. Then click on the run mission. Then the agent gets to work by installing the project step by step. So let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes. The project is successfully installed. So let's put forward it. So to see the interface. So as you can see, the port has been forwarded and it also provides the admin username, which is admin, and the password. So we'll copy the password and click on go to this URL. As you can see, we have successfully installed and opened the dashboard of the Grafana. Next is the Falco. Search Falco. Then click on import. Then click on run mission. Let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes till the agent installs it successfully. So the agent has successfully installed the Falco project. If you want, you can continue with the configuration, or if you want, you can uninstall it. I will uninstall. So uninstall is successful. Let's move to the next project, which is Keda. Click on the plus icon, browse community, then type Keda, import, then click on run mission. Let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes till the agent successfully installs the project. So the Keda is successfully installed in the current cluster. Next is the Flux. Click on plus, browse community, Flux, import, then click on run mission. Let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes till the agent successfully installs the project. As you can see, the Flux is successfully installed. Thanks for watching.